Hi, I'm Peter McMurchie, and welcome to Building Interactive Dashboards with Power BI by Pact Publishing. I'm a senior software engineer and have been professionally developing software for energy, film, finance, and BI for over 15 years. I studied computer graphics and infoviz during my master's in computer science. My focus has always been on user experience, user interfaces, graphics, and data visualization tools. I've been developing Power BI custom visuals for the last 2 years. This course will consist of a complete overview of dashboarding in Power BI, including what can be accomplished with it. Our exploration of Power BI will include reports, dashboards, tips, and best practices for visualization, and many visualizations. This video provides you with a glimpse of the entire course. Power BI is a powerful ecosystem for data visualization. Free to get started and cheap to deploy even at enterprise scale, it truly democratizes BI. Power BI consists primarily of a desktop app and a web service that let you import, clean, and enhance your data from a myriad of data sources, presented in compelling interactive visual reports, publish it all to the web, mash it up into executive-class dashboards, and present it on any desktop, web, or mobile device. We start the course by building a simple functional interactive dashboard presenting linked charts, KPIs, tooltips, and a legend. It will look something like this. Then we construct an example analytical dashboard where we can slice, dice, ask what-if questions, and export the raw data for external analysis. It will look a little something like this. Next, we'll build an example of a tactical dashboard to enable a manager to identify key customers, see how products are performing, and locate where the action is at. We'll be exploring statistical charts, funnels, and maps. After that, we'll build a high-level dashboard targeted at the C-level executive. This will get our feet wet with publishing to the web and mashing up in the Power BI service. We'll take a look at Power BI's tools for telling data stories. We'll build this customer profile browser. And finally, we'll learn how to format dashboards for both web and mobile. We'll turn our earlier report into this, and our dashboard into this. In order to complete all the exercises in this course, you'll need to install Power BI Desktop, which requires a Windows PC. You'll also need to sign up for a free Power BI account. I also recommend using at least a 1080p screen. During this course, you will learn Power BI's desktop to web workflow, experience building interactive dashboards in Power BI, use over 25 visualizations, enhance data with DAX expressions and quick measures, mash up data into dashboards, and create an effective mobile dashboard. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started.